The Project Management Institute, frequently called by its acronym PMI, is the most widely recognized organization within the project management profession. As you can see, they've been around for quite some time and have a significant global reach, currently spanning 171 countries. Here's a snapshot of their current membership costs. And if you are interested in becoming a member, visit pmi.org. Once on their website, take a look at the left-hand column and you will see Become a PMI Member. Click the Join Now button and you'll be presented with their 3 membership plan options: Individual, Student, and Retiree. Keep in mind that the website may look a bit different as they go through their changes and updates. A little over 20 years ago, PMI compiled what is called the Project Management Body of Knowledge, or Pmbok Guide, and it is in part because of its large member base and global reach that has made this thorough guidebook so widely recognized and used. This is an important note for the following reason. Today, the existence of virtual and global teams has become a common scenario, so having these project teams that are scattered around the globe following the same set of project management standards is important. It's also for this reason that the Pmbok is often referred to as the de facto global standard for the profession. Think of it as a compilation of good practices that have been established. The guide advises to use these good practices, but at the discretion of the project management team. In other words, the project management team must use their own judgment based on the many factors surrounding the project itself to determine the best approaches to take. This is why the Pmbok contents are treated more as guidelines and a reference rather than a rule book. And the Pmbok guide is updated every 4 years. We're currently on the 3rd edition. And the certification exams are largely based on its contents. So we've already established that the Pmbok guide is important, not to mention that the exams are largely based on its contents, as well as this course. So what exactly makes up these guidelines and good practices? Let's quickly review the layout of the contents. The first 2 chapters focus on the framework of project management. The framework provides the foundation, for example, describing what constitutes a project or project management. It also describes the environment surrounding a project, providing you with a broad picture of the process. Chapter 3 focuses on the standards for project management. This describes the 5 processes that a project or project phase moves through. Chapters 4 through 12 make up the majority of the Pmbok guide. Each chapter is devoted to a knowledge area. There are a total of 9 knowledge areas, which we'll briefly cover during this course. If you don't already have the latest edition of the Pmbok guide, you can expect to receive a digital copy with your PMI membership, or if you're not planning on becoming a member, you can purchase it directly through PMI's website or another book retailer. Currently, there are 3 certifications available through PMI, with additional, more specialized certification in the works. The following certifications are organized by required level of experience. The first is the Program Management Professional Certification. This focuses on program management, and if you don't know what that means, we'll be covering that later on in this course. This course provides you with the necessary material to pass the following 2 exams: the Project Management Professional Certification and the Certified Associate in Project Management Certification. The Project Management Professional, or PMP credential, is the most widely recognized project management certification. Take a moment and conduct a search on PMP and a job search website such as Monster or Dice, and you'll see that many companies are now requiring a PMP certification in order to even apply for a project management role in their company. And 3 final points on PMI. They have local chapters and specific interest groups, so you can network by location or topic of interest. PMI has an educational foundation that provides things such as scholarships, grants, and sponsored research. And they also issue various annual awards for individuals, organizations, and products.